Today we are heading to Ithaca Mall and we have to do some shopping.
Yes, today we are set out to purchase a bottle straw cleaner, laundry detergent and dishwashing liquid for as cheap as possible. We will go to stores such as Target.
It's here, Target. I just realized.
How cheap can we get those 3 products for? Let's find out.
If we can go get those supplies and then we'll head back because I have to also wash my water bottle. Absolutely beautiful. It is -5 degrees. Change in plan. I'm going and getting breakfast first because I'm a bit hungry. Today we're gonna go check out Rose. So Flora Rose is another residence. So I'm in Hansbeth. There's another one called Flora Rose. Exactly same concept like Hansbeth. There, do you see it? Flora Rose. That's where we're headed. Look at that view. It's -5, but it doesn't feel like -5. Maybe I'm just wearing such a warm jacket from Decathlon. So if you can see that blue and white thing over there. And we've made it. We've reached the bus stop. So we're gonna take bus number 30 to Ithaca Mall.
You want to walk more?
Everything is so easy. Do you remember the mall when we went to in India? The abandoned mall, Aiden's Galleria. Yo, this reminds me of that mall. It's so dead. It's here. Target. You know, coming from Hong Kong, you don't get these big stores, and to see the Target over here, it's like a landmark in itself, you know. You have to get the supplies. If you've ever been to a supermarket in Hong Kong, you realize how small the aisles are. Here, so massive, man. I'm gonna ask someone where's the... It's written there. Household supplies. Should be here. So this one is $7. It comes with both, but I just need this one, so I have to buy this entire thing, which is $7. And they have the Dawn for $1.39. So you know we're looking for 3 items here: the bottle wash cleaner, straw, detergent, and dishwashing liquid. Surprisingly, I can't find the laundry detergent. I asked the staff over here, they were also saying surprisingly they can't also find it as well. So already accumulating the 2 things, which is the straw and the dishwashing liquid. It's coming for $8.39, about $9 basically with taxes. Oh my god, so many changes in plans today. I was in a long conversation with one of the staff over there. His name is Michael, and he suggested to go to Dollar Tree, which is approximately 10-15 minutes walk from here. And I'm going over there because, as the store's name is Dollar Tree, everything over there is for $1. Because I told him over here I'm getting it for $7, the cleaning thing for the water bottle, and he said, yeah, you're getting it for quite pricey over here. If you want, go to the Dollar Tree and you can get it over there. It doesn't even seem like there's a proper pedestrian like road over here to walk on. So I'm literally just walking on, as you can see, where the cars are. I don't know if that's allowed. Oh, there's also McDonald's. McDonald's is also here. You see it? Can you see the M? I love that the sun is out today. We're walking. Ah, what a beautiful day. What a cool tree. Yeah, I think it's just more straight. This is like proper ice, man. Bunch of stores over there. There's one of them, read Dollar Tree. Oh, Applebee's. Whoa. Applebee's is there. Jeez. You see it? Applebee's. Anyways, I think it's this way. Let's keep walking this way. Yo, it's taking forever to turn green, or like to show that we can walk. Do we just cross? Okay, if it doesn't turn in the next 5 seconds, I'm just gonna cross. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm just crossing, it doesn't matter. See, it's never turning. That's such a weird sign, man. It never even turns green. Oh, yes. Oh, it's called Cayuga Mall. And yeah, it's right in Dollar Tree. Oh, Aldi's also here. Dollar Tree, Cayuga Mall. It honestly didn't feel like such a long walk. You know, one thing I really love about Ithaca, maybe this is applying to the entire US, but the roads, they're all so well spread out. Like, there's so much space. It doesn't feel so tight and, you know, like in Hong Kong where everything is so compact. And it makes sense because obviously it's a very highly dense city. See this entire space? It's just so well spread out. Okay, finding Dollar Tree. Benjamin Moore. Okay, this opened. Perfect, so this is what I was looking for. Yeah, a small one should do the trick. So I'll get this one, the dish soap, along with this one, last one. Oh, I just realized I'm in another random store. I'm not in Dollar Tree. So right now, this is 2.39, and that is 3.79. So accumulating to about $6. In Target, you were getting it for 7 plus 2. You're getting it for $9. Now I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and compare and see what it's like. And because this is the last one, someone might take it. I want to hide it. I'm gonna keep it behind over here. Yeah, so that no one can take it. Perfect. Here, Dollar Tree. Let's check. What is the price like over here? I'm looking. Do you keep this? A bottle washer.
What, tiny,
Yeah,
I don't have, so we've got, pipe cleaners, crafting pipe cleaners. They're similar to that.
May I have a
That's
look,
what you use to clean out a straw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I need.
Best bet's going to Walmart, or should they sell them with the,
I went to Target and they told me to come to Dollar Tree.
they're idiots. All I got are these. These are pipe cleaners, but they're not gonna
Oh.
be, but they're felt.
Okay, I think you got to hear briefly about that. They do not sell the bottle washer straw cleaner. Okay, so they're selling for $1.25. In fact, we won't even get this one. This one is just standard. This one is written antibacterial and it's dishwashing liquid. So we're better off getting this one. Apple, orange, or we go with orange. I'm so happy, man. It's $1.25 only. Even the laundry detergent, everything is basically $1.25. It should be called $1.25 Tree, but we can get the laundry detergent as well. This is so cheap, man. Let's go. We'll go with get this one. I just had no way. I have to say this. Wait, I need good lighting. 1 second. You guys will not believe what just happened. So we came here with a purpose to buy 3 things. One is the bottle straw cleaner, second laundry detergent, and 3 dishwasher. 3 things we had to buy. I've bought all 3 for $2.71. Whereas Target was selling for $9, I just got everything for $2.71. You might be wondering how. Because when I was inside, I only bought the laundry detergent and the dishwasher. How did I get the straw? I got it from Dollar Tree. They found it. They had one last stock left at the end when I was checking out. And the lady at the counter said, you know what? It's 1 cent. Take it. I was like, what? She said, yeah, just keep it. Don't tell my boss. That lady is an absolute legend. I just got 3 things. I'll show you proof. I got the receipt. Check it. Take a look. We got the laundry detergent, which is the stain lifter, for $1.25. Then we got the Dawn dishwasher for $1.25, and then this silicone straw with brush for 1 cent. Everything for $2.71. We saved $6.29. Oh my god. Let's go. This is what happens when you walk around. Oh my god, I feel like a philosopher now. I can give lectures on how to save money one-on-one. Let's go. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna head back to our dorm.
Now approaching Chris Hammer at Kendall.
Home sweet home. Still so happy I got all the necessary supplies. I got this one, the antibacterial dishwashing, this one for my water bottle, and the laundry detergent, all for a whopping $2.71. Something which I didn't even pick up on like properly was the fact that in Target and in the Benjamin Moore store, I think that was the Benjamin Moore store, we were only getting 2 of the supplies out of 3. We went with the purpose to get 3 supplies. So the cost that I was telling you of $9, $6, they were all of only 2 supplies. We just got all 3 for $2.71. So see, since I have this Gatorade bottle, this is always left open. It's very important. We use this one then, obviously clean right inside so we can get that and get all the dirt out as well.